Welcome to our instructional video on solving equations. In this video, we will be solving the equation 2x plus 7 equals 13 to find the value of the variable x. Make sure to follow along closely as we walk through each step of the solution process. Let's get started. To solve for the variable in the equation 2x plus 7 equals 13, we need to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation. The equation we have is 2x plus 7 equals 13. In step 1, we need to get rid of the constant term on the left side of the equation, which is the plus 7. To do this, we will subtract 7 from both sides of the equation. Subtraction is the opposite or inverse operation of addition. By performing the same operation on both sides of the equation, we keep the equation balanced. So we start with 2x plus 7 minus 7 equals 13 minus 7. The reason we subtract 7 from both sides is to cancel out the plus 7 on the left side. When we perform the subtraction, 7 minus 7 equals 0. So this simplifies to 2x plus 0 equals 13 minus 7, which simplifies further to 2x equals 6. At this point, the plus 7 has been eliminated, leaving us with 2x equals 6. This is crucial because now we have an equation where the variable term 2x is isolated on one side, and this sets us up for the next step, which will be to isolate x itself. In step 2, our goal is to isolate the variable x completely. At this stage, we have the equation 2x equals 6. To isolate x, we need to get rid of the coefficient that is multiplied by x, which is the 2. The coefficient is the number in front of the variable. To do this, we will divide both sides of the equation by 2. Division is the opposite or inverse operation of multiplication. By performing the same operation on both sides, we maintain the balance of the equation. So we start with 2x divided by 2 equals 6 divided by 2. The reason we divide both sides by 2 is to cancel out the coefficient in front of x. When we perform the division, 2 divided by 2 equals 1, so this simplifies to 1x equals 6 divided by 2, which simplifies further to x equals 3. At this point, the coefficient of 2 has been eliminated from the variable x, leaving us with x equals 3. This is crucial because now we have successfully isolated the variable x, and we have solved the equation. Therefore, the solution to the equation 2x plus 7 equals 13 is x equals 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.